Ready to turn your free time into extra cash? Let's get you set up to deliver with Uber Eats in Australia, step by simple step. First, head to the Uber website and find the sign up to drive or become a driver section. Click that big button, it's usually prominently displayed. You'll need to enter some basic personal information like your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure it's all accurate, as Uber will use this to communicate with you. Next, the app will ask you about your mode of transportation. Select whether you plan to deliver by car, scooter, or bike. This is really important, so double check you select the correct option. Uber Eats will need to verify your documents. Make sure you have clear photos of your driver's license and, if using a car or scooter, your vehicle registration. Uber performs a background check on all drivers. You'll need to consent to this check within the app, usually involving a digital signature. Read through the terms carefully before signing. Once everything is submitted, your account will be pending review. Uber will notify you when your account is activated, and you're ready to start accepting orders. Congratulations, you are one step closer.